Good morning from not so sunny LA today. Well, it's gonna get sunny later, but we here chilling, and I want to take some scenic pictures. Like later on the day, we're gonna go more like, you know, sunny kind of pictures. But right now I want to visit some murals that I found online. I don't know if it's gonna be easy getting there. There are some of them that I know from way back, like We Are Not a Minority. I want to take you out there, you know, Bowl Heights and all that. And right now I want to find one that I think Nipsey is on it. So let's get there, let's make it a fun day, and let's take some pictures, man. Let's go.
And the guitar was strung.
That's the vibe right there, LA right now. It's in the morning and it's 18 past 8, man. Okay, so that's what's up right now. We found the first one, and let me show you. Like, check that out. I like that one. That is made so beautiful. Like, you gotta respect the art, you know? Check that out. Check the colors. We got Obama right there. We got the Statue of Liberty. You know, Maria right there, if I'm saying it correctly. So that's the first one. Oh, and I forgot the phone. Go and take some pictures. Let's go. So we got the phone out right now, and let me just, you know, I'm gonna try to take the best picture and show it to y'all in the video. Hold on. Okay, that's okay for now. Let's move on to like the next one. We on Hoover Street right now, turning up to Martin Luther King Boulevard. Now we arrived at this beautiful place right here, and I don't know if you can see it, like first mural right there. I'm not gonna stand right here because it's not convenient, but I'm gonna go somewhere else, find some other ones and share it with y'all. So I actually do not have a lot of time here, but I do want to show you one that is pretty like important, and you might know it from a video of Tupac. So this one, pretty famous. You might remember from the, I think it's the Live or Die in LA by Tupac, and this means a lot for the people out here. Like, you can see that they're really good at the art. You got one in the back. We're gonna do like let's check that one out. We can't check that one right now because I think they're working on it. Yep, they definitely working on that right now. That is a super cool one. Let me take a picture right in here. That one. Oh, it's not gonna fit, man. Like, we need to take it wide like that. Check this one out. Too bad there's like a little thing right there, but looks pretty. Wow, ain't that a beautiful one? Some history right here. So the tree's right up ahead, right there. Let's take a picture. some cool stuff. Just took a couple of pictures. Probably gonna be a lot of noise.
Someone skate. Me, I'm trying to